In this video, we take a look at using an escrow service for deals via XREX's BitCheck. Trust is always an issue when dealing with someone you are not familiar with. No matter if it's international transactions, imports and exports, or crypto P2P deals. For example, an Indian importer buys products from Hong Kong. Should the importer pay first? Or the supplier send goods first? To protect both sides, escrow is the best solution. What is escrow? Escrow basically means a third party temporarily holds the funds until the agreed terms are fulfilled. What is BitCheck? BitCheck is a free online escrow service powered by XREX. XREX is a regulated and licensed crypto fiat exchange that was established in 2018 with compliance partners from across the globe. All users on XREX are thoroughly vetted and verified. Therefore, BitCheck is a safe and secure way to make payments or trade crypto. How does BitCheck work for cross-border merchants? Let's take a look at the example of a merchant who imports goods abroad. They initiate a BitCheck on XREX to send payment to the supplier. The crypto is held in escrow by XREX until the supplier sends the goods. After sending the goods, the supplier requests the release of the BitCheck. The importer confirms and releases the BitCheck, sending the funds across. The cross-border transaction is now complete. How does BitCheck work for P2P crypto deals? First, the crypto seller BitChecks the crypto to the buyer. The crypto is held in escrow by XREX until the crypto buyer transfers funds to the seller's bank account. After confirming receipt of the funds, the seller releases the BitCheck and the crypto is then deposited into the buyer's wallet. The P2P transaction is now complete. Here are some tips before using BitCheck. Download the XREX app. Complete the identity verification process. Exchange your XREX ID with the other party and add each other as contacts on XREX. Always check the bank details of the other party and keep proof of bank transfers. Watch more XREX videos to learn about the XREX brand and products.